Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious yogurt bread. This bread is very simple and very delicious to make. Now let's get to the ingredients. So the ingredients we're using is some lemon. You can use the vanilla as well. Some milk. I'm going to be leaving the measurement and description. Okay, I'm going to be using some sugar, vegetable oil, yogurt, yeast, flour, and 1 egg. Please check the description for the details. Okay, so the first thing, I'm going to add the milk into the bowl. Please make sure you're using room temperature milk. Okay, now I'm going to add my yeast into the pan, into the milk, and mix all together. Afterwards, I'm going to be adding the yogurt. Make sure you're using Greek yogurt here. Okay, so add the yogurt and mix everything together as well. After then, I'm going to be adding the sugar into the mixture. Continue mixing them. You can as well use hand mixer to do this if that is what you want. Okay, now I'm going to add in the vegetable oil. After then, if you are using vanilla is best for this, but the day I made this bread I didn't have vanilla. This is why I use lemon juice. Okay, so I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use 1 tablespoon of or 1 teaspoon of vanilla if you have. With the taste of vanilla, it's actually better with vanilla. Okay, but if you don't have vanilla, you can use lemon or any other flavor you want. So after adding that, I'm going to be adding 1 egg into the mixture. Continue mixing everything together, okay, until they are well combined. Lastly, I'm going to be adding my lemon zest into it. Lemon zest is required, okay. Even if you're using vanilla, lemon zest is well required, okay. You can substitute the lemon juice to vanilla or vanilla to lemon juice, whichever one you want. Now I'm going to be adding the flour into the batter. Do not add the flour all at once, okay. Please just add them one at a time, and when they start forming dough, I'm going to transfer them into my working board and continue kneading them with that help of that flour there. Have bread machine, this is ottimo for you, like Italians say ottimo. Use the bread machine to do this, but if you don't have it like me, please use your hand and make sure you knead that bread very well, like 10 minutes of kneading for a better result. Yes, bread requires kneading, okay, so do not be scared for that, because the better you knead the dough, the better the result, okay. So now I'm going to add a bit of flour into my bowl and add that dough there. Cover them and allow them to rest for 1 to 2 hours. But while they are resting, it depends on the temperature where you are, okay. You can actually allow them to rest for 3 hours, please guys. Yes, do not remove them after 1 hour and start baking your bread. It won't give you a better result. The temperature in your house matters a lot, okay. Hey guys, this is after 2 hours or over a bit over 2 hours. Now it's time to knead our bread again. This is one process about bread, but nothing beats homemade bread actually if you can have the patience to get everything done. So I'm going to knead them again for a couple of minutes with help of extra flour. Yes, with help of it. Just watch what I'm doing. Try to fold it just like the way I'm doing here. Do not skip that, okay? Fold it just like I'm doing here. So I'm done doing that. That took me about 5 minutes or 6 or 8 minutes or so. Now I'm going to cut that bread into pieces. Depend on the size of your pan, the pan you're using to bake this bread, okay? So if your pan can contain 6 pieces or 4 pieces or 3 or 8, depends, just slice them. You can measure them if you want them to be equal size. Like if you want the weight to be the same, okay, but I wasn't going for that because I'm baking for myself and for my family. So this is my pan, the pan I'm using. I've already greased the pan with butter. Now I'm adding a bit of flour to help the bread not to stick to the pan. Okay, now it's time to start rolling those bread. Give them that rolling, okay? Do not be scared, just roll the bread. You can actually stuff this bread with chocolate or anything of your choice before baking them. Okay, now I'm going to cover the bread again with my cling film, or you can use kitchen towel to do that. Allow them to rest again for 30 minutes to 1 hour, 30 to 1 hour. Like I said before, it depends on the temperature of your house, okay? Your room or anywhere you're putting this bread, the temperature matters a lot. So, but you can leave them to rest for more time if you think that they've not risen or relaxed or rested enough. After then, just bake them in the oven. Here they are out of the oven and I'm just greasing them with water. That is water just to make on top of that bread soft. Do this as soon as you take the bread out of the oven, okay? The minutes of baking the bread is 35 to 40 minutes, okay, at 180 degrees. Okay, so after then I'm going to remove the bread from the pan and show you the final result. Guys, this bread was delicious. In fact, I still have a couple of them in my freezer. Yeah, I love putting bread in my freezer to preserve them. Okay, so look at that color. Look at that bread color. Like I said, I didn't do measurements, so some of them are bigger than some, okay, but you can actually make everything equal size. So guys, this is the final result of this bread, this yogurt bread. It's so delicious, guys. I want you to give this bread a try. Your kids are going to love it. Your kids will love it so much. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please check the description for all the ingredients required for this recipe, okay? And make sure you like and share. I love you guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye.